Hey there guys, tonight we'll be taking a look at the brand new Broadway Limited Paragon 3 AC6000 with smoke and the SP Daylight Fantasy livery. Now, unlike most of my reviews, I'm not going to waste your time talking the whole time. No, we're going to let the locomotive do the talking. I will give you guys a very brief overview of what I think, and to sum that up short and sweet, they nailed this locomotive. I mean, I've always been a sucker for Daylight. Broadway has nailed it. But all you need to know, it pulls like a brick, it weighs a ton, detail is very good, the printing is awesome, so basically like all the current AC6000s that Broadway has done. So the status quo has not changed, which is great to see. Now the basement lighting is a little harsh, so this is looking a lot lighter than it is, but they nailed the paint job on this locomotive. I'm just going to pan the camera down so you can see. Of course, we have low mount ditch lights per a UP/SP prototype. And just scrolling on down. The SP logo is crisp, the striping is beautifully done, and I'm very pleased. And I've not even had this thing out of the box but 5 or 10 minutes, and it's done awesome. So overall, I'm very pleased with this locomotive. I've cut it out around the test track for a few laps. I mean, you guys are going to get to see it turn loose to the freight. But overall, Broadway, you nailed it. I like the fact you're able to have some fun with the fantasy paint job. This is what Athearn wishes they could have done with the AC4400s a few years ago. This locomotive has sound, smoke, LED lighting, all the works. But enough on that. We're going to start a sound demonstration. We're going to take you through all the sounds that you'll want to hear, and even some you probably don't want to. But that's okay. That's why this is a running review. So thank you guys in advance for watching. I hope this is informative in your buying decisions, and thanks for staying tuned. Let's get this thing rolling. Now, one thing I did want to do before I do get things started, I'm going to show you how to do the smoke fluid. This locomotive did not come with any fluid in the box, but that's okay. What I like using is JD's Mega Steam. This is, of course, for the O-gauge market, but it does work very well in Broadway and MTH locomotives. A lot of y'all are probably freaking out thinking smoke is the devil's lettuce for HO, but let me tell you, this is really cool. This is such a staple in the O-gauge market. It's cool. No one really complains. But to get this locomotive filled up, what I'm going to do is just give about 3 or 4 drops. Actually, make that 2 to 3. And then blow the residual out. So when we fire up the engine, she should be good to go. And all you have to do is take the caps, place them back in there. Horn value 1. So one issue I found with the Leslie horn loop on the short blast. A little bit of flange squeak in there. Besides that, this is awesome.